known to mankind. And the largest, unlike moas, adult elephant birds had no predators. Despite their size, they pose no threat to lemurs, which have survived to the present day. Found in dried marshes, shows that they only ate leaves, fruit, and seeds. Like their cousins in New Zealand, they swallowed small stones to help their digestion, especially for tough meals, like the fruit of the baobab tree. Elephant birds were a vital link in the forests of Madagascar. They spread seeds from the trees and even fertilized them, up until the arrival of humans. Elephant birds were hunted by the islanders for more than 2,000 years. According to Madagascan oral history, the birds hid from danger when they felt threatened. However, they were eventually hunted to extinction, just before the arrival of the first Europeans in the 16th century. Their well-preserved bones.
A chicken. Engineers have studied it, and the egg cat.
Scientists have been trying to work out why the birds came here to lay their huge eggs.
More importantly, it retains heat. To come down here specifically to lay their eggs. Imagine the sight that would have been. There would have been brooding females, males, all around here calling to each other, sitting down in their hundreds. It must have been an incredible sight.
The sheer size of adult elephant birds meant that they were safe from Madagascar, but that wasn't the case for their chicks. After had to become independent quickly. They were easy prey. Attacks didn't threaten the species since they were relatively rare. The presence of colonies on the beaches might explain the existence of birds similar to moas and elephant birds in other parts of the Indian Ocean. Perhaps, from time to time, an egg escaped the attention of its parents. Role of birds seems to support this theory.
Of the ratites, and the heaviest of the ratites. But they're also found in as distant locations as it was like 40 or 50 or 60 million years.
This primitive bird would have lived after the explanation for how these birds could be found both in New Zealand and Madagascar.
What we think must have happened.
Its ancestors grew to giant proportions.
Could represent some of those ratites that never got through to the present day. But the living ones, which we say this middle one here, very much alive. Now we know elephant bird and the kiwi separated some time ago and formed their different groups. Kiwi still
between these continental fragments in the southern hemisphere. We began to wonder what was the reason why all of these independent ratite lineages on all of these continents evolved to become large and flightless.
Extinction of the great reptiles. Many ratites grew bigger and bigger, Shortly before another family that also lived in the shadow of the giants, ratites are no longer hunted by large predators or islanders, but they are in danger